got a knife in my hand and I'm going to use it. I'm going to show you what it is. Brace yourselves. Oh, don't like that bit. Oh, it's 2 boxes, that's why. Oh my goodness. Number 1. How do we get into this? Oh, a zip at the top. Da, 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 da. Oh, please give me some instructions. Oh, I get it. You put your poles in first. How wonderful is this? Just like going camping. Are you ready? Can you see the floor? Lay it down, we do it. Oh, we believe what we've got. VariFitters, can you believe our luck? If only I knew how it went. Please make it easier than this. Oh, it's only worked. There, look at that beauty. We've got 2 of them for the dance-a-thon. Established April 2020. We are winning in VariFit classes. VariFit we flourish. Cheering your successes every day. Live online and recordings. Oh, you might be able to read it. I do hope so. Beautiful, isn't it?